As we age, particularly after 50, our bodies face significant physical challenges. Daily activities like climbing stairs or carrying groceries become harder. This natural decline in physical ability highlights the importance of maintaining an active lifestyle. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward adopting effective health practices that can improve quality of life in our later years. Many believe that walking alone is sufficient for maintaining health after 50. While walking is beneficial, it doesn't fully address the muscle loss and strength decline that come with aging. Seniors walking in a park may still show signs of weakness with fatigue, indicating that walking alone isn't enough. A more comprehensive approach to exercise is necessary to combat these age-related changes effectively. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, begins as early as 35 and accelerates after 50. This condition leads to decreased strength, mobility, and overall health. A diagram showing muscle mass decline with age illustrates this process. Understanding sarcopenia is crucial for recognizing the need for strength training to maintain muscle mass and prevent its detrimental effects on daily life. Strength training offers numerous physical and mental benefits for seniors. It helps maintain muscle mass, improves posture, and boosts confidence. A senior lifting light weights with a smile exemplifies these benefits. Regular strength training can significantly enhance quality of life by improving strength, balance, and overall health, making it an essential component of aging well. Many seniors fear that strength training is dangerous or only for the young. These myths can prevent them from reaping its benefits. A trainer reassuring a hesitant senior in a gym setting dispels these misconceptions. Strength training is safe and effective for seniors when done correctly, and it plays a vital role in maintaining health and independence as we age. Starting strength training can be intimidating, but simple exercises tailored for seniors make it accessible. Squats, arm curls, and resistance band workouts are excellent options. A step-by-step visual guide of these exercises helps seniors understand how to perform them safely. These beginner-friendly exercises are the foundation for building strength and improving overall health in later years. Consistency and gradual progression are key to successful strength training. A calendar marked with workout days and a senior progressing from light to moderate weights illustrate this principle. Regular practice ensures steady improvement, helping seniors build strength and confidence over time. Commitment to a consistent routine is essential for long-term health benefits. Real-life success stories of seniors who transformed their health through strength training are inspiring. Before and after photos showcase improved strength and vitality. These stories motivate others to start their strength training journey, demonstrating the tangible benefits of regular exercise. Seeing real results encourages seniors to take the first step toward a healthier lifestyle. Strength training is most effective when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Proper nutrition, rest, and overall wellness are crucial. A senior enjoying a balanced meal, resting, and exercising in a holistic routine exemplifies this approach. A well-rounded lifestyle supports the benefits of strength training, leading to improved health and well-being in later years. It's never too late to start strength training. A senior confidently entering a gym or setting up a home workout space represents the first step toward better health. Strength training is an investment in your future, offering numerous benefits for physical and mental well-being. Take the first step today and embark on a journey to a healthier, more active lifestyle.